So, another unboxing video down here at the SimplyDiag Community Hub. This one proudly sponsored by Opus IVS. One of our original day one partners, strong supporters of our community, and we've got a nice big box here. So, I've dropped a few subtle hints, so I've a fair idea what's in it. A load of you have been asking what's in it, so we're going to unbox it now. As Erico would say, sharp tools, cut to your buddy and not to your body.
It's like Christmas all over again.
All over. And we like a good unboxing video. We do. We like a good unboxing video. Ooh, what's it? They don't taste very cheesy. Go and make a mess. Selena will kill me. Sorry, Selena.
Ooh.
Oh, we like this. 2 boxes. 2 boxes. Let's have a look. The new Pro 2 Plus. Oh, look at that. Look at that for a handset. Hey, Bobby Dazzle at that. Yeah. And I spoke to Steve and Carl the other day. They said it's all been fully updated. All the dealer tooling, the BMW and all that, that's also been updated on it. We've got the IVS fix as well. I think I know what's in here. Yeah, there we go. IVS fix, otherwise known as the Autocom Icon. Absolutely brilliant piece of kit, especially for the modern vehicles now that require secure gateway access and stuff like that. You'll be seeing lots and lots more of this. Your Chinese scan tools are not able to give you secure gateway access that other tools typically do. The Autocom, one of the strongest secure gateway access tools on the market. Dead easy to set up. We've already got one of these in the workshop that we use on a daily basis. But this is paired up and put onto this, so a perfect standalone tool that we can take with us on road tests and doing all sorts of stuff. So Opus IVS, thank you very much. You're awesome.